So from farm to table, we are picking out some Ackees we got from our tree. We are going to cook fried chicken back and Ackee. Ackee and fried chicken back. Alright, so we are picking out the Ackee. Remember, Ackee must open by itself. You're not supposed to force them open. They are poisonous if they don't open up by themselves. And you use your fingers to tear them apart and to open it with your fingers. You can die if you eat Ackees that someone force open, whether with a razor, whether with a knife or their fingers. You can die if you eat Ackee that someone forced them to open. They did not open by themselves. It's a very delicious meal. Ackee cooks a very delicious meal. But if the Ackee don't open by itself, you can be poisoned and die instantly. Alright, so we are going to cook Ackee and fried chicken back, maybe with some boiled bananas, green bananas, from farm to table. Alright, so we are cleaning up the Ackee. We need to get the seeds. We need to get the seeds out. We need to clean out what is in the middle. And then you need to boil them in some salt water. Alright, so we are cleaning out the Ackee. And we're going to cook some Ackee and fried chicken back. Alright? Alright people, to get your Ackee firm, you don't want to peke Ackee. You don't want the Ackee to mash up. Put some salt in the water. Alright? And if you're using saltfish, I like to put my saltfish in the water and boil it with the Ackee. But we're not doing Ackee and saltfish today, we are doing fried chicken back and Ackee. Alright? So right now we're gonna cook the Ackee. We have seasoned some chicken back already, and we're going to do it quick and fast for you. Alright? So wait until the salt water is boiling to put in your Ackee. Ackee can go in now. Alright, we're going to add our Ackee. Now we're going to add the Ackee and make it boil. Alright? Alright people, so we have some chicken back of the chicken. But we have some that we marinate from overnight. And we have some fresh one. We have some fresh one and we have some that we marinate. Alright, we seasoned from last night. Don't have any onion or anything, no ground seasoning, just powder seasoning. We have more over here. We don't need so much. Alright, it's not a lot of Ackee, so we don't need no more back. What we're gonna do now is fry the chicken back in the oil, brown it, and cover it with a pot cover. So meanwhile the chicken back is browning, the water from the pot cover will be cooking the chicken back. So as soon as it's golden brown, you can add your Ackee and you can put black pepper, the ground seasoning, natural seasoning, tomato, pepper, onion. By the way, onion is $500 and $600 a pound. Alright, so you have to go easy on the onion. Alright people, so what are we gonna do now? Test it. We're gonna test it. Yeah, the oil is hot. Put our chicken back to fry. And meanwhile it is frying, we're going to cover it with the pot cover. So meanwhile it's browning, it is also cooking from that water that is dripping from the pot cover. So you're going to say, oh, I'm going to add chicken back, and I'm going to add ackee to the raw chicken back. No, because it's going to brown and it is also going to cook at the same time, alright? Golden brown you want. Put them in the eye, then golden brown. What you're going to do now is cover it down and let that cook while it is fried. Yeah, people, it's almost that time. Alright? Golden brown. Yeah. So we're going to cut off our natural seasoning. Alright? So we're preparing some natural seasoning, alright? Tomato, onion, pepper, scallion. You can draw off some of the leaf off the time. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright? So we have our water washing them. You can just draw off the leaf off the time. Don't use a stick. Alright, natural seasoning. You just draw off the leaves off the time. Alright, don't use a stick. Alright, you can just draw off some of the leaves. I'm going to cut up some onion. Onion is $600, $500 a pound. Alright, them knife, the amount of knife in the kitchen and the whole of them done. Oh God. The people, so we're going to add some. We're going to add some natural seasoning. Just draw off some of the leaf of the time. Like this. You can look, you can see it in the seasoning. You can see some of the thyme leaf. Now you get a nice aroma. Just don't use a stick, just draw off some of the leaves. Give the ackee a nice flavor. See that? Into this, let me fry it for the seasoning. Wanted some sweet pepper. Going in the fridge right now. Alright, so let that fry up. And then we're going to ackee. We have our ackee here. Alright. Just a little bit of water in there. Not going to let that go in there. We have our ackee here. But we need some black pepper now. This is frying nicely. Some more cream. It's good enough to eat already. Another pieces of chickenback. I use pieces of chicken neck. you don't want chicken back, some chicken neck, pieces of chicken breast. Alright, you can use it. No, we don't want our Ackee to we don't want the Ackee to mash up. Give it that time. And some black pepper now. And look at this. It's so lovely already. Yeah, look at that, lovely. Some people love to mash up their Ackee, no problem. Alright. And some black pepper. Some black pepper. So I'm going to throw some black pepper in this. Easy on the black pepper. And this is so lovely already. There's a nice aroma coming out from there. Right? So lovely. Can have this with white rice. Can have this with boiled dumplings and banana. Choose anyone you like. I'm not a rice person. What do you want to have it with? Oh, see that? Hi! People, this banana tree is so long we have to use later. Let me get down, you know. What you gonna do? What? This will go viral if you pop it up. So like it a pop. Hurry up, Tokati.
If you pop, take off that.
Man, you drop over this.
Yeah, but the tree is young, man.
Where? Me hear a tree a pop.
You would like you would have to go.
People, they're poor for me. Let me guess, come down.
Probably drop over neighbor the yard too.
From farm to table. That table look like a hospital, it have a reach.
Me zoom in.
What?
Ooh, lucky.
People me like a banana neck a broke off. Me come down. It's a farm to hospital.
Is that better?
Backside. Banana tree tall. So I flash there.
Well, let me put that.
From farm to table. It's a farm to hospital. Nearly most of the tree broke down with me. It's the tallest banana tree I ever seen in my life. No, sir. Alright, we're making some dumplings. White flour cornmeal. To eat with our Ackee. And if you see a piece of, if you see my hand tie up, I just cut it in the backyard gardening. Alright, I cut my hand gardening in the backyard. Nevertheless, food have to eat. Alright. The cutlass, we're planting corns. And the cutlass cut my hand. But I had to make, I have the video to make, so I had to just, thank God it's the left hand and not the right. Alright, get all your dry flour, get all your wet flour together, bring them together, so you throw any more water, because you might just end up with a flour that is spoiled. So So get all the wet parts together first. See what you're working with. Then you will decide if you need more water. All right. So work with your wet flour first. Work with your wet flour first. Alright? Now we want to get this. Look, you can just go like this. Just tip a little tip of water, not too much, on your hand. Sprinkle just to get up these. You see that? Just to get this dry flour here. And put your back into it. Put your back into it. Knead the dough. Alright? That's a nice piece of dough here. Now we're going to peel some bananas. Peeling some bananas. Now this same banana skin, I'm going to put some into the pot to make sure that our dumpling is not black, or our banana is not black. When you cook, drop back a piece of the skin into the pot, into the dumpling pot. Alright, so we're going to drop back the skin into the pot. Just drop back some skin into the pot. Some lime juice. If you don't want to drop the skin in there, drop some lime juice. Throw some lime juice in the water. Or you can throw some oil. From farm to table, people. What the saying say, grow what you eat and eat what you grow. Yeah, from farm to table. Sorry, I never video the part where we're picking the ackee in the backyard too. So the ackee is actually from the backyard. We have a tree in the backyard. Right? So from farm to table. As you see, it was almost from farm to hospital. Because that 11 banana tree where we climb, pan ladder, almost turned over with me, you know. Alright, those banana trees very tall. I have to use another to go up in there. But from farm to table, people. Plant something. As I was planting today and I cut myself with a cutlass. Alright. I don't think it needs stitches though. I'm not sure when I wake up tomorrow. I'm in a lot of pain, but I don't think I need stitches. I'm gonna pull it off and look at it tomorrow. But what, are we going to starve because we got a cut? No. Alright, food have to eat. Thank God it's my left hand. What I want, people, subscribe to the channel, give the videos a thumbs up, share the channel with someone, help me to get to 500. Big up to all the Jamaicans in the diaspora, big up to all the Americans, big up to all the people in UK, Ghana, Africa, all over. Big up on yourself. Enough love. Big up to everybody watching. Wherever you're watching from, big up yourself. Alright, we're going to drop some banana in the pot now. Dinner time, people. Dinner time. Alright? So I share some food. And it's so soft. Some of them breaking up. They're so soft. Soft and nice. Alright, they're soft, they're breaking up, alright? You can see they're not black. Look at that. Just put back a piece of the banana skin. Throw some oil. Something in the pot, alright? Lime juice. Alright? So we're sharing. Over here we have the Chickenback and Ackee. Alright? So we are sharing some food. Beautiful. Beautiful people. See that? Lovely. Fried chicken back and ackee, boiled banana and dumplings. So your dumpling and your banana must look not black. Alright? People, enjoy and I'll see you soon. Remember to subscribe.